Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into whether Bitcoin has actually bottomed out and why $444,000 might still be on the horizon. Let's break it down. Bitcoin and the crypto market, have we truly bottomed out? The answer isn't so simple. On one hand, we are seeing signals that a reversal could be starting. On the other hand, this doesn't mean it's time to go all in just yet. There's likely going to be a pullback before any major breakout. The current price action is hinting at the beginning of something big, and the charts are starting to reflect that. Behind all of this, a larger economic shift is also underway. De-dollarization has begun. Gold and silver are in high demand, and Bitcoin is rising as a key alternative store of value. As global players bypass the SWIFT system with their own fast settlement networks, the collapse of the U.S. dollar could be accelerating. Now, looking at the charts, we're watching Bitcoin dominance closely. If it breaks above the 64% level, the next major target is 73%. That region, especially around the 74% mark, might see a pullback as we've already touched that level in the past. Still, we're approaching a range where altcoins could get interesting. You might want to wait until dominance returns to 64% for a bounce before making a move into alts. Switching focus to Bitcoin specifically, it's still forming a falling wedge, which is typically a bullish pattern. A breakout from this could send BTC to $96,000. However, expect some turbulence. We could roll over from current levels and retest the lows. If you're planning to buy, anything under $78,000 is a good entry zone. There are no guarantees, but those prices might be a gift if the breakout continues. So, is Bitcoin heading for $444,000 eventually? The signs are aligning. But the path there won't be straight. It'll be filled with fake-outs, retracements, and opportunities for those who pay attention. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.